So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove an action block on Instagram. I'm going to show you one simple step and it's an 100% fixed solution where you can unblock your Instagram and then you can get your account back again. So guys, let's get started. So my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of Instagram tutorials, how to get more followers, how to monetize, how to make money. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, I'm gonna divide the video in two parts. I'm gonna put the timestamp over here. So the first part is how to unblock your Instagram. So let's say you got a follow block or an action block. So I'm going to explain you first part that, and the second part is how not to get an action block or a follow block. I'm going to make the second part over there. The timestamps would be on the top. So first thing is how to unblock or how to remove an action block on Instagram. So I've got an action block as well, as you could see over here. I've got on my profile as well. So guys, it's very simple. The reason for that is you're doing a lot of follows and unfollows. Okay, so I've done a lot of experiment right now last week where I tried to follow a lot of people and I got an action block. So I realized that in a day you can just follow 200 people, maximum 200 people, and 50 people in an hour. So I've tried it myself on my Instagram account where I tried following 50 people in an hour, and that's fine. And you need to follow 200 per day, and then you need to do the same thing with unfollow, but make sure you unfollow people who had followed you 1 day or 2 days before. Okay, so make sure you unfollow them after 1 or 2 days, but again it's the same logic. 200 unfollows per day, 50 per hour, but make sure you don't do it together. So for example, you do 50 follows per hour, that's it. For the next hour you could do 50 unfollows. Okay, and then slowly and steadily you just do that. Don't increase more than that. So even with the likes, again it's 200 likes per day, but make sure guys, let's say you have a new account, just don't start doing it 200 follows per day. Start slow and steady. Okay, so again on the first day you'll do 50 follows, on the next day you'll do 50 follows. Slowly and steadily start increasing. Take around 2 to 3 weeks to go till 200 followers per day, and then 200 unfollows per day. If you want a strategy on how you can get organic engaged Instagram followers, I've created a video about that as well. You can go and check it out. So now how to remove action block. So guys, removing action block is really simple. Leave your account for 24 hours. Don't do nothing at all. So after 24 hours gets completed, the next thing what you could do is change your password, and that's it guys. Then again slowly and steadily start building. Okay, the second thing which you could do is if you're using an app. So I use a lot of automation app as well. Someone's using Follow Liker, Jarvee, or you're using some app from your Android phone or from your Apple phone. What you could do is sign out from them. Don't use them at all. Okay, so that's the second way of doing it. The third way is, let's say you get an action block where your account gets blocked. Okay, so what you could do is, so once you log in they ask your phone number. Okay, so you put your phone number, you'll get a code, get verified. Let's say you don't get your, let's say you put your phone number and you're not getting your code back again, wait for 1-2 days and then you'll definitely get your code. Okay, just don't start writing down different numbers and try to send the code and you're not getting it. Again, it shows Instagram that you are a spam. So make sure patience is the key. Okay, and now if we go back to how not to get a follow block, again basic, simple. 200 follows per day, 200 unfollows per day, 200 likes per day. If it's a new account, start slow and steady, but these are the limits, and that's it guys. It's not complicated at all. Now don't do it the wrong way where you start following a lot of people every day. In an hour you follow 100 people, you'll definitely get an action block because Instagram thinks that you're using a bot. So make sure don't do that. And that's it for today's video guys. If you would like to learn more about Instagram growth, engagement, how to make more money, how to get more leads, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.